What's going on, guys? It's boy Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. As usual, the adventure begins before the actual adventure. So we are getting one of the trucks ready to go on a crawl tomorrow. Me and the boys doing a couple of mountains. We're taking two trucks each this time. We are going to be doing Goodman Mountain and Mount Arab again for me. We're going to be taking the rock bouncers up Arab. And I will go through this on the trail for each separate video, but we're getting the rock bouncer ready for Arab. I fried the ESC in it, so I'm going to replace it with this one. You guys will have to watch and see what's all in these little buggies for the videos. And of course, we are bringing the base camp. So this is going to be going up Goodman, because I've never done that one before. So everyone, go check those videos out. Spool. And I lost four-wheel drive. So I got a new spool from Red Cat in there. Also picked up a couple of front drive shafts for it. Picked up some spare knuckle inserts and another front diff just to be safe. Had a shock failure, so I'm going to swap the shocks that are on my log truck project at the moment onto this. Gonna get this pieced back together, and this will be the truck that we're taking on the trail. This quit working a couple weeks ago. I lost power after completely submerging it. I'm guessing it just needed time to dry out. So here's hoping. I'll obviously test it tonight. I had a lot of fun running it on paddle tires, but we are going to be putting it back on the Falcon Wild Peaks for now. Alright, we're close, but these shocks aren't going to work with this style of cage. I don't have enough room, and if I space them out, they're binding up. So hey, what's going on, guys? We got quite the lineup today. So here in the middle we have my trucks, off to the right we have Jaden's, and off to the left we have Nick's. So we are going to be taking the rock bouncers up Goodman. Very similar setups. We've got, all three of us have the same transmission. Me and Jaden have the same motor. We have the same motor and 4-link. He's just running a longer set. Red Cat axles, Everest 10, a lot of aluminum, heavy offset, mudslingers. Everything else is stock Red Cat. Okay. And then we got Nick's, which is on portal axles. He's got a quicker motor, stronger servo. On paper, his should be the best, but it also is the shortest, so it may be tippy. We got basically a stock Gen 8, basically a stock base camp, and not much done to it. I mean, it's a little shorter than it was, but it's got brushless. Yeah, and brushless. So we're all running a very similar setup. So this ought to be a real good time. We haven't even made it. Literally, we're unloading, and you've already lost a screw.
I don't understand.
All right, so we have established, for whatever reason, Jaden is the fastest and mine is the slowest, which is weird because we are identical in every way. I wonder if this ESC came out of the Everest 10 and that's why it's slower. That could do it. I think they might be rated different. Either way, let's get to it.
Yeah, but the thing is mine's out of the Everest.
You know, I didn't think about that.
I don't think I'm going to record until we get some technical stuff.
You sound like you have a V8 in yours, Nick. So Jaden has shattered some gear in his front servo, and we are now attempting to run it rear steer only. And we are close enough to where we could go back and get one of the other trucks. Oh yeah, that thing's toast. Yep. Think you're going to be able to drive that thing up the mountain like that?
We're going to see.
Well, Jaden is doing this with a trail truck, and a pretty scale one at that. Deborah's the rock bouncer. Ribs' attention deficit. That's what friends are for. Nice. That was good. What happened?
I think it's just clearance.
It's two things. It's the clearance and the steering angle. I can't turn like that. That might. I stuck up with a rock there that I didn't see. Yeah, I don't have the. I'm long enough to where I'm not going to be able to make that turn. So maybe some bigger tires are in my future. Well, that's not quite what I was going for. That's not quite what I was going for. Maybe I can. Four-wheel steering. All right, we're going around. It's my favorite. And we're up. Hi! Oh, I made it up. That's the important part. Just use the purple power, Jaden. Oh, it was your fender flare. Alright, so Jaden reached a ramming speed with the purple battleship. And,
I think we're good. I think I can use it now. Because now it's working.
Alright. Well, Jaden completely folded Nick's shock in.
It was an L.
Yeah. So we thought we were going to have to back out, but through some percussive precision, Nick has managed to more or less
Make it usable.
fix it. Sally Fork gets out. Yeah. How about you lead? It feels like Indiana Jones. No, I'm calling your truck a rock. Nice! For once, I think the shorter wheelbase is actually doing better on rock. Oh my god! The leaves are really making it tricky. Yeah. Turn left. I can't. Yeah. Oh my God. Why are you so dramatic? Flip over. Ribs, we are getting left behind. Hurry up. Comes to a complete stop. Thunk. Shh.
Oh my lord. I'm gonna have to go a different way. I can't get
That pickle power, man. Dropping in.
Make it up over that root.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Come on, Ribs. Go. Go. These wild peaks suck on rock.
Why must you fail me so often?
Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Come on, Ribs. Yes. No. Yes. Climb, Jaden. Oh, look at him go now. I just had to say something. Jaden, my shocks. Nick making it look easy. Sure, yeah, we get to follow up that routine. Settle down.
Hip in distress.
The three of us have made it to the top of the mountain. We're on our way down. I'm running 3S because I'm a bad influence on myself. And we're going to do some mini golfing after this real fast, and then jet over to Goodman.
Ooh. Stumble wumble. These are slippery. All of your blazing new trails.
Well, that was smooth.
Maybe you should go first.
With great relish.
I'm gonna take that.
That one.
No. Fourth step. I'll take it.
Yeah. I got it. 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 Oh, it's coming back. Oh, God. It's coming back. Oh, it's rolling. I'm upside down.
That bumper. I lost sight of mine.
Oh, we're both upside down.
Yeah. I couldn't see where I was going anymore.
So loud. It's so loud. Oh my God, look at them.
You're gonna have to check and see if you got the frame, I think.
Oh, okay.
No, not him.
Oh.
Not you.
Yeah.
You came up the stairs.
Oh, God. I know what my driving is terrible.
Whoa, whoa!
If you just keep going fast, it's not a problem. Well, that went well for us. Hold on. You have a very loud truck.
Oh, it doesn't help. I've got so many little things on top. Just. It almost looks like I lost something. Because I could have sworn that was fuller.
Everything's just shuffling around.
So I think it all slid to the front and just pinned the tech deck.
And there it is. I couldn't see that rock.
So did you ever drive this anywhere other?
Alright, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. I didn't get a whole lot of footage after that point. And, yeah, everything else went off without a hitch for that mountain. So, next video is probably going to be us doing, Goodman, I think? Yeah, Goodman was the next one. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. And, as always, I'm actually going to link Nick's video from Dirt Devils TV in the video description. If he's already uploaded the one to this mountain, which I believe he has, it'll be the link to his video. So, go check that out. I'm sure he'd appreciate it. And, as always, guys, that's going to be about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos, because I upload frequently. And as always, hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max, and stay awesome.